Hello, my beautiful people, my amazing people. All right, today is another video on the things that happened to us after we had experienced a stroke. Today I'm going to talk about the question of what drains me? What drains me? What makes me feel fatigued? What makes me feel useless? What makes me feel like I'll never be myself again? This is because we have been focusing on our deficits, what we can't do anymore, instead of focusing on what we can do. There's a lot more than what we cannot do. Right? And sometimes what we cannot do is cannot do now. But we could do it in the future. A year from now. A month from now. Okay, I'm Dr. Caroline from Silicon Wellness Lifestyle Center. And I had experienced a right-sided stroke. Right? So I'm a stroke thriver like you. Thriver, not survivor. Thriver like you. Right? So, what can't you do by now? And you are in this depressed mode, self-doubt mode, right? Are you surviving, right? Are you surviving? I'm here to tell you that instead of asking yourself what drains you, ask yourself what nourishes you. What rhythm feels natural to you? And rediscover who I am now. Rediscover who I am now. I am Caroline. I ain't a stroke survivor. Right? That's the first thing out of my mouth. First thing out of my mouth is I'm Caroline. Right? So therefore, if you feel drained, if you feel depleted, if you feel like, when you're asking yourself, will I ever feel like myself again? Take time out to pause. Take time out to breathe. And take time out to begin again. Because you're not just recovering, you are reconnecting. Reconnecting with your brain cells. Alright? A simple breathing exercise would be breathing calm. Take a nice deep breath in without fear. And you breathe out. Take a nice deep breath again. Breathing calm. And take a nice deep breath out without fear. Right? Because the fear and all things that are negative are keeping you stuck. What drains me? What drains me? So you have to tend to your energies. Your energy. Take note of it. And to know what brings you down, and what brings you up. All right? And even though you might feel okay and now push yourself beyond limits for fear of being seen as incapable or not able to do things, focus on your growth. Focus on your adaptation, your learning, amplify your strengths, not your deficits. Alright? Because the deficits are only a deficit for now. It might be that you will restore what you had. And if you don't restore what you had, it's not the end of the world. It's not the end of the world. It is the end of a chapter of your life. I'll say it over and over again. The end of a chapter of your life. You have to write the next chapter. You have to be the author of the next chapter. What drains me? What drains me? No. It's what nourishes me. What gives me the strength to do what I have to do on a daily basis. Alright? What I have to do on a daily basis. What rhythm feels natural to me. Now, since we have experienced a stroke, your rhythm is not going to be like before you had a stroke. Some days you will get up and you'll feel not yourself. But that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Once you do not stay in that mood all the time. All the time. No. You have to feel, you have to get up in the morning, get up, and then ask yourself, okay, how am I going to face today? The next day that the Lord has blessed you with. I'm going to face today. Alright? And you're going to face it with anything that you have. Anything that you have. Alright? If it's just to get up and brush your teeth, if you can't brush your teeth as yet, using your fucking side, you can have it on the sink and using your other hand to brush your teeth until you can get your fucking side to hold the toothbrush. Right, hold the toothbrush, then get it into your mouth. That's it. That's it. Until you're able to brush your teeth. Right? That's how I did it. That's how I did it. Hold on to the toothbrush. Then I have to take over. Get it out of my mouth. Then take over. And now I can brush my teeth all over with my right hand. That nourishes me. That nourishes me because I could brush my teeth again. Okay? So you who hearing this, I hope this brings inspiration to you. Alright? I hope this brings inspiration to you. That your life is not over because you had a stroke. It's in the next chapter, thinking. We'll talk about that later on. Right? But we have to go into next chapter, thinking. Okay? So until next video, don't forget to give this video a like, thumbs up, and comment as well. I would love to have your comments. I can respond to it. Okay? So, what drains me? We're going to go into what nourishes me. Okay. Until next time, bye for now.